Hey curl friends, I'm Bianca Renee and you're watching Bianca Renee Today. And today I'm actually very excited because I have some new products for you to try whether you have curly, wavy, or straight hair. But the real people that I'm talking to today are those of you that have damage. Heat damage, color damage, whatever it may be, your hair needs to be strengthened. This video is for you. Introducing Bondbar, a 4-step system made to repair damaged hair. This line is actually made by Sally Beauty. Today's video is sponsored by Sally Beauty. As you guys know, I'm part of the Sally crew, so I'm really happy to be one of the first people to try this very new line. Exclusively sold at Sally Beauty. Now I know you might be thinking, Bianca, your hair isn't even damaged, you don't have heat damage, you don't have color damage. True, but I am slowly approaching that part of postpartum where postpartum shedding is starting to begin. I don't believe that there's anything that could legit prevent postpartum shedding. I think it's just a natural thing that happens, but I do believe that there are things that we can do to help minimize the damage of having a baby. For me, I want to use these products to help strengthen my hair so when I'm detangling, I'm not noticing a lot of breakage. So let me tell you how it works. In the collection, there is number 3, 4, 5, and 6. To be honest, when I first got them, I was like, where's 1 and 2? I was kind of confused. I thought I was missing some, but just so you guys know, the products do start at number 3 and then go to number 6. The full Bondbar collection includes a bonding pre-shampoo, number 3. Number 4 is their bonding shampoo. Number 5 is the bonding conditioner, and number 6 is the bonding styling cream. This is now my second time using this line because it just came out and I only wash my hair once a week, but I'm proud to say that on the very first time I used it, I saw results instantly. I feel like with products that have to do with like repair and damage, you really have to use them a couple times to really notice a true change, but I did notice some beautiful definition just after 1 use. Now, if you're like me, you might have seen these bottles and your first impression is, how much product are we getting? Well, in step number 3 and 6, there's 4 fluid ounces, and in step number 4 and 5, there's 8 fluid ounces. So they're not the biggest bottles. But if you think about the competing bonding brands out there, you often get like 3 ounces for $30, or maybe you get 8 ounces for $30. The main thing that really impressed me with this line is the price point. Each one of these is only $9.99. So you're finally getting some bonding products to help those of you that have damaged hair without really breaking the bank. So you get steps 3, 4, 5, and 6, all 4, for basically 40 bucks instead of just one product for 30. Not bad when you really do the math. So the price is good, but how well do they work? Let me show you how I applied all these products in the shower. Starting with Bondbar number 3, the bonding pre-shampoo. This is supposed to repair, protect, and hydrate your hair. The directions say to apply a generous amount from scalp to tip on damp hair and then leave on for 10 minutes. It has a pretty thick and creamy consistency. I feel like I had to use probably more than I was supposed to get all of my long hair, but once I felt like it was saturated enough, I then let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I then rinsed it out, and then I grabbed the number 4 bonding shampoo. With the shampoo, you just apply it to your wet hair, massage from scalp to ends, and then rinse it out. I did forget that a little bit of the shampoo goes a long way, so I definitely used more than I needed to here, and it smells really good. Once I then rinsed out the shampoo, I grabbed the Bondbar number 5, which is the bonding conditioner. The conditioner says to apply a generous amount from scalp to tip, leave on for 3 minutes, then rinse. I really like how the conditioner smells. It has a very like perfume but floral scent that just smells amazing. On all of the Bondbar bottles, it says if you use steps 3 through 6, it reduces breakage during combing by 70%, improves wet detangling by 90%, strengthens and repairs highly damaged hair after the very first use. So they know that they got some good stuff that is going to wow you just after the first time. And all these products are paraben-free, SLES-free, phthalate-free, and silicone-free. Now my hair is feeling nice and shiny, all detangled. Now let's get to the last step, number 6. And I'm back fresh out the shower. Now let's apply the last step of the bonding treatment. So that is the Bondbar number 6 bonding styling cream for all hair types and textures. It says to apply a very small amount we'll see, on damp or dry hair. Interesting. Concentrating product on your mid-lengths to end, comb through, and style as desired. So the first time I tried this, I did use it on its own, and because it's a cream styler, I got a very soft yet defined results. But as you know, I prefer some hold. It didn't have any hold to it. So if you just want this like a nice soft style, you could use this on its own. Ooh, oh, I forgot how good it smells. But if you do want some hold, I would apply a gel on top, which is what I'm gonna do today, because y'all know me. So I'm just gonna smooth this in and finger detangle. I prefer to finger detangle just because it's the most gentle way to detangle your hair. But until I build my hair up to be stronger, I'm just gonna finger detangle just to be as gentle as possible. Okay, it said apply a small amount, and I'm already going in for more. I feel like you just can't say that to people with curly hair. That's not too much, right? That much for each side? I still think I'm doing good. Rubbing it together. It's a pretty thick consistency. Now that I feel like it doesn't really smell like anything on my hand, but I smell it when I put it in my hair. Or maybe that's just the shampoo and conditioner lingering. Focusing on the mid to ends. Smoothing it in. And then detangling through. All right, so now I have all of my cream styler applied. It is a kind of a thicker cream, but it doesn't go on thick, so it doesn't feel like it's weighing down my hair, especially because I have fine hair. So you could stop here, air dry or diffuse, but since I like a little bit more hold to make my wash and goes last a little bit longer, I am going to add a gel on top. This is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Hydrate and Hold Curl Defining Gel. I like that you get a big old jug of this. This is 18 ounces, no parabens, no mineral oils, no sulfates, petroleum. Shapes, adds definition and shine to natural coils and curls without alcohol or flaking. Now I did test these to make sure that they would get along. So what you do is, if you don't know, you get a little bit, I don't want to waste this stuff. You get a little bit of the cream or leave-in styler that you're going to use. Get your gel, mix them together and see if they create little chunks or if it kind of just makes like a smooth consistency. So that looks nice and smooth. It tells you it's not going to create any flakes on my hair. So let me just go ahead and add this maybe to the back. Let me get some more gel. The gel smells really good too. Like very tropical. It says the aloe vera nourishes, conditions, and protects against breakage. Oh look, this is a perfect little bonding duo. And the coconut water helps strengthen hair and restore moisture. So this is a great little strengthening combo we've got going on. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Look at the ringlets. Like, look at this. That looks great. This is how I like my hair to look before it dries. Like, I can feel confident in this wash and go already because I just know that this is gonna dry well. I can tell when it's not. So I'm gonna let this air dry for a little bit, let it create a cast, then I'll come back to diffuse. And I'm back. It seems to be drying nicely. Kind of forming a cast, but not really, but it's not wet anymore. So let's go ahead and diffuse to get some more volume. This is my Ion Luxe Supercharged Blow Dryer and Diffuser. Let's do this. Alrighty, let's take a look. Wow. Look at the shine. Look at these little ringlets. Definitely some bonding going on. Wow. Very, very impressed. Look at them. Look at the ringlets trying to stand out. So cute. My hair feels very hydrated. It looks really shiny. This one is just trying to get an MVP award today. But I am very, very impressed, and I love that I saw results just after the first time using them. Now this is the second time, and the results are still here. So let me fluff it out, style it like I would. I just like to put my fingers in at the roots and shake, kind of give it some lift. See how I go out, shake it up. A lot of flipping. Wow. My hair might actually be getting at the length that I've always desired. Like, I think I'm here and I just haven't realized that I'm here. There we go. I'm gonna get a little bit of my Moisture Miracle Curl Defining Gel, just like on the lid. A little bit just for some flyaways because I went a little crazy with my fluffing. Perfect. Overall concluding thoughts. These Bondbar products are definitely Bianca Renee approved. I'm just really happy that there is now a bonding product that is affordable, because I know that so many people struggle with damage, whether it's heat damage or color damage, and you need something even more than a protein treatment. Get you the Bondbar. They're only $9.99 each, and they're all available at Sally Beauty. So I want to continue to use these and see how well they continue to strengthen my hair over time. I did notice results after just 1 or 2 uses, but I know that the real results will come with consistency. So it says to use these 2 to 3 times a week. If you're a curly girl, you probably don't wash your hair 3 times a week. Like, I know I don't. I'm more of a once a week, sometimes twice a week, but I'll just continue to use this as much as possible. When it comes to the styling cream, I might treat it like a leave-in and use it before I use my gel, mousses, or whatever stronghold product I want to use. And I'll probably use it on my refresh days. So let me know your thoughts. Do you like my results? Are you happy that there is now an affordable bonding product? I'll make sure to link all of the Bondbar products in my description box down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I post new videos every week. You also can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at Ms. Bianca Renee. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching Bianca Renee Today.